Chapter 2 Indian Polity Constitutional Development of India. Which of the following exercised the most profound influence in framing the Indian Constitution? The Government of India Act 1935, the first attempt to introduce a representative and popular element in the governance of India, was made through Indian Council Act 1861. Which of the following acts introduced communal electorate in India? Indian Council Act 1909. Assertion A. The Government of India Act of 1858 transferred the governance of India from the East India Company to the Crown. Reason R. The East India Company was unwilling to administer India anymore. A is true but R is false. By virtue of which act diarchy was introduced in India? Government of India Act 1919. The instrument of instructions contained in the Government of India Act 1935 has been incorporated in the Constitution of India in the year 1950 as emergency provisions. The Government of India Act 1935 was based on the principle of federation and parliamentary system. The monopoly of Indian trade of the East India Company was abolished by the Charter Act 1813. Consider the following acts. What is the correct chronological sequence of these acts? Number 1, the Regulating Act, Pitt's India Act, Charter Act, Indian Council Act. Consider the following statement. The objective or the Montague-Chelmsford reforms of 1919 was to establish diarchy in the provinces, the extension of provincial government. Consider the following with reference to the provisions of Government of India Act 1935. Establishment of an all-Indian federation. Provincial autonomy with a government responsible to an elected legislature. With reference to the colonial period of India, the trade monopoly of the East India Company was ended by the Charter Act of 1813. Consider the following statements with reference to the provisions of Marley-Minto Reform Act in the colonial India. The Marley-Minto Reform Act raised the additional number of the central legislature. It introduced the principle of communal representation in the legislature. It empowered the legislature to discuss the budget and to move resolutions on it. Two independent states of India and Pakistan were created by the Indian Independence Act. Assertion A. The Government of India Act 1919 was passed by the British Parliament to introduce diarchy in the provincial government. Montague-Chelmsford Reforms Committee has recommended the introduction of diarchy in the provincial government. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Consider the following statement. The Regulating Act of 1773 was passed by the British Parliament in order to establish parliamentary control over the administration of the East India Company's territory in India, make the Governor of Bengal as the Governor General of Bengal, and of dual system of administration in India. The first definite step to provide parliamentary control over East India Company was taken by the Regulating Act 1773. Montague-Chelmsford report formed the basis of the Government of India Act 1919. Assertion A. The Government of India Act 1935 and the Constitution of India are both lengthy documents. Reason are the Government of India Act 1935 was taken as a model and substantially incorporated in the Constitution of India. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Though which one of the following were commercial activities of the East India Company finally put to an end? The Charter Act of 1833. Which of the following vested the Secretary of State for India with supreme control over the Government of India? Government of India Act 1858. Daiki was first introduced under Montfort's reform. Which of the following were the main features of the Government of India Act 1919? Devolution of legislative authority by the centre. Expansion and reconstitution of central and provincial legislatures. In the Federation, under the Act of 1935, residuary powers were given to the Governor General. The Indian legislature was made bicameral for the first time by the Government of India Act of 1919. Match List 1 Act with List 2 largely based on and select the correct answer by using the codes given below the list. List 1. Indian Council Act 1909. Marley-Minto Reforms. Government of India Act 1919. Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms. Government of India Act 1935. Mountbatten Plan. Indian Independence Act 1947. Simon Commission Report and Joint Select Committee Recommendation. Which of the following is correct? The Nehru Report 1928 has advocated the inclusion of fundamental rights in the Constitution of India. Which of the following acts was described by Jawaharlal Nehru as Charter of Slavery? Government of India Act 1935. In which year did the Parliament adopt Indian Constitution? 1950. Which act introduced diarchy at the centre? Government of India Act 1935. Which was not a member of Cabinet Mission? John Simon. Which of the following was the biggest source for the Constitution of India? The Government of India Act 1935. The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. The Supreme Court of India was set up by the Regulating Act 1773. The distribution of powers between the centre and the states in the Indian Constitution is based on the scheme provided in the Government of India Act 1935. Which of the following are the principal feature of the Government of India Act 1919? Introduction of diarchy in the executive government of the provinces. Devolution of legislative authority by the centre through the provinces.